When life seemed to be all gray, problems after problems. Enjoy the little things. Things that are out your window, waiting to be seen and appreciated, waiting to be felt, touched, and experienced. The only thing in this world which we don't need to work so hard for. The beauty of nature is just there, given for free. And it's meant for everybody. For those struggling to see beauty, take a look at the birds, at the trees, the butterflies, and all the creatures in it. It's just amusing to observe them closely and wonder how their world works. It gives you a breath of fresh air from your own chaotic world. It gives you a sense of freedom you never know you needed. It makes you forget your life situations and help you live in the present. Be in the moment where life is light, happy, and free of worry. It serves you with colors in different forms and in different shades. If life gets hard and beauty is nowhere to be seen from within, pay attention to the world outside of you. Be one with nature and feel the comfort it provides. It's the little things in life that truly makes us happy. Things that we already have without much effort. And in my own bumpy life, it's one of the things that I am always grateful for.